This is better than Unlinked. Here we have sports, movies, TV shows, and live TV, all for your on-streaming device. So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can type in any URL, for instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads, or I have a short code for you, and it's so much quicker. 370178. And then just hit the little check mark or the go button. On this page, we have some tutorials, some other videos, some how-tos. Check them out. Are you looking for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports, all on your on-streaming device? Follow along. I'll show you how to get these on my device. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your on-streaming device needs, tips, and tricks, and how-tos. First thing we need to do, head over to the settings icon. Quick settings, and move over to all settings. So 2 clicks. Here, we're going to come down to privacy. Move over. Go all the way down to the bottom to security. And over here, play protect may be on, may be off. Turn it off. We don't need it on. Back to the home screen. We need to download one application. We can go to the search icon, click on it, or use our Alexa, or use our voice to text, Downloader.
Results for Downloader.
And we have results for Downloader. This is the Downloader app we are looking to install. Click on it. Click Install. Guys, while this is installing, I thank you very much for watching this video. Please share this with a friend. I'm sure you know someone who would like to get an app like this. Now that Downloader is installed, we can actually just click Open. So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can type in any URL, for instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads, or I have a short code for you, and it's so much quicker. So our remote and our little red circle here work just like a mouse and a cursor. We can go right, down, left, and up. And the select center button of our remote is our left click button. We can come up, it highlights Downloader, but we want to go in the search field, so we can click in there. And here, we bring up a keyboard. So our short code, we're going to need to select the number buttons, number sign, 370178. And then just hit the little check mark or the go button. And this will redirect straight to the Led by the Unknown's webpage. There's 5 seconds for the redirect, so please, during this time, push the like button on this video and share it with a friend. Once the page is loaded, if we can take our cursor all the way to the right into the 3-dot button and select it, here we can add our page to favorites. And this, now we no longer need to worry about the URL or the short code. We can push save, and then if we go back up to that little 3-dot button, we can hit favorites, and here we go, downloads right there. It'll load it up instantly for you without any redirects. On this page, we have some tutorials, some other videos, some how-tos. Check them out. And of course, applications for your device. So let's head on down and find these applications. Guys, lately, online security is the utmost important for everybody, or at least it should be. Please get out your phone, scan this QR code, get yourself an 80% off deal with a 30-day money-back guarantee for IPVanish. Protect your online security. Protect your phone, protect your laptop, protect your Android devices, your Apple devices. Works across all your devices within your home. Share it with your family members. Our online security is the utmost important. Let's head down, check out the videos, Here we have sports, movies, TV shows, and live TV, all for your on-streaming device. We can click on the first one. Starts the download process onto our device. We hit install. Now, downloader does need permissions to do this, so we can hit settings, turn downloader on to allow it. And then we can continue on with the installation. We only need to do this the once. This is the enabling downloader to sideload applications, or the jailbreak, which we don't jailbreak Android devices. I'm going to decline for play protect. And now we're going to hit done. Now, once we're in this page still, back out once. Here it brings up the APK that we downloaded. We can now delete the installation file, and yes, confirm the delete. You get a pop-up. Please scan the QR code. Add yourself to our mailing list. Then you click the X button. Another one, HQ. If we slowly come down a bit, we don't have to worry about the accept part. I had a couple people inquire about it. Don't worry about it. Just click the download arrow, and our download will continue. Another small application for us. Yes, install. And we no longer need to do that setting for downloader. It's just the one and you're done. Done with the install. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. We can back out once, back out twice. Then we can click on HD. And again, this may come up. Don't worry about accepting anything. Just pull down a little bit. Find the little download arrow when it comes up and click on it. Easy peasy. 3 great apps all on your device just like that. Install. We'll click install. And we'll click done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. And we push back a couple times on a remote. And it sends us back to the page. Check out the other apps down below. I'm sure you'll find more that you will enjoy. In the meantime, let's hit the home button and find these applications we just got on our device. Come down to your apps. Last apps we downloaded end up at the very end. If you want to reorder them, just click the reorder button and you can move them around how you wish. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all so much. Enjoy your on streaming device now. Happy streaming. You want to find applications for your on streaming device that you can't find in the App Store? Check this out.